these are the thing आप कर सकते हैं इस चीज को कि you can make a list. आप पेपर पेन लीजिए, उस चीज एक take a paper pen and make 2 circles. You can see on the slide. Inside my control, outside my control. What are the things that are inside your control? My action, my choices, my attitudes, my habits, how I respond. My action, you can make a sub branch. My action, what kind of action are my under control? What kind of choices are my under control? What kind of attitude is in my control? There can be sub branches of any kind of your choice, any kind of decision that you're taking. What kind of habits are in my control? You can also, like, you can make a chart. You can do this if you are having a lot of overthinking about a particular situation or the scenario, or thinking the out of control jara, you can make this chart. What are the outside of control? The things that is inside your control, आप उस पे अपना focus करिए, उसको improve करिए, improve that lane, improve that part. The thing that is not in your control, leave that thing. Because if you invest your energy and mind on that outside my control area, zone, anything, it's not going to work. Outside my control of others people's reaction, past events. Past हो चुका है, future अभी आया नहीं. What other people thinks of me, how other people behave. The unfair situation, saying that life is not fair. Life is not fair for anyone. Everyone has their side of story of telling the how life has been so unfair to us. Like I said, our brain has come to that point that we love to portray ourselves as victims. See कैसे लोग ने हमसे treat किया, how life has treated us, how some people has treated us, how I have been so much disadvantaged position, how I have this, how I have that. So the thing that is not in your control, leave that thing. And it's not any dal bhat ka chawal. Like I'm saying, it's not so much easy as I preach. मैं जैसे आपको बता रही हूँ, कहने में बहुत आसान लग रहा है, करने में आसान नहीं है ये चीज. Over the time, when you keep on practicing and practicing and practicing, it actually helps you. Like it actually works. Second one, stop. I do these techniques a lot. So whenever I overthink about a particular situation, even in a very good way also, there should be lane. आप किसी अच्छी चीज के बारे में इतना मत सोचो कि आप उसमें भी you start to worry. कि आप ज्यादा अच्छा सोचोगे तो फिर वो अच्छा चीज भी turn into negative one. वो इतना सोचते सोचते वो खराब लेन में फिर धीरे धीरे अपने आप shift हो जाता है. What is stop? S say stop means pause. Don't react automatically. T, take a breath. O, observe. P, proceed mindfully. If you're thinking about a particular situation or दिमाग में आ रहा, you can mentally say stop, or you can verbally say stop. Like when you say stop, so you will for like fraction of second you will pause. Actually आप रुक जाओगे. When you pause, take a break, like take a deep inhale and exhale. When you inhale, exhale, your vagus nerve is relaxed. You can inhale for 4 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds. Do this for inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Over. When you inhale, exhale, your vagus nerve is automatically relaxed. So when it is relaxed, what it will do, your prefrontal cortex will start to think rationally. It will start to think logically. Right? तो आपकी amygdala है वो उसकी जो alarm system है वो कम हो जाएगी. Prefrontal cortex का जो layer है आपका, वहाँ पे जो rational thinking का speed है वो बढ़ जाएगा. This is what vagus nerve relaxation does. Then you actually start to think. जब cortex activate होगा, you will think, oh my god, this is the thing I'm actually overthinking. Just notice your thoughts. Actually, when you caught yourself thinking ना कि आप पकड़ लोगे उस चीज को ना कि अरे यार ये तो मैं overthink कर रहा था, कर रही थी. You will feel a very different kind of emotion in yourself. Like, oh my god, you will feel actually, you will laugh at yourself. Oh my god, what I was doing. You will not get angry. You will actually laugh at yourself. Oh my god, my mind is very clever. It is playing tricks on me. So when you observe your thoughts, feelings, the body sensation, just feel. अगर आप उस लेन में inhale exhale करते हो तो feel how you are feeling now. पहले कैसा फील हो रहा था, बॉडी शेकिंग, ब्रीदिंग नहीं आ रही थी, बट आफ्टर ब्रीदिंग विदाउट हाउ यू फीलिंग. इवन 0.1% रिलैक्स मींस इट हैज वर्कड. After you like notice the thought, the feeling, the sensation, you are now choosing that now I will choose how I will react. So you respond with awareness. That's why you always say कि जब आपको गुस्सा आता है तो आप 10 सेकंड पॉज करो. बट हम उतने ट्रेंड नहीं होते हैं कि हमें जैसे ही गुस्सा आता है वैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं. It's not so easy done. Like मैंने जैसा बोल दिया, it's not so easy कि मैंने सब बोल दिया आप कर लो. It takes a lot of प्रैक्टिस। अगर मैं आपको आज बता रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप आज सेशन के बाद आप एकदम उस लेवल पे पहुंच जाओगे, कोई कुछ गुस्सा कहा तो आप लाइक कि नहीं, रिलैक्स रिलैक्स, गुस्सा नहीं करते। इट विल टेक टाइम। कैसे? व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट टू प्रैक्टिस। अगर आपने 1 सेकंड में गुस्सा डिले किया तो कोई बात, 1 सेकंड बाद थप्पड़ मार दिया, ओके, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, कोई बात नहीं, आपने 1 सेकंड वेट तो किया ना। सो ऐसे 1 सेकंड 2 सेकंड करते करते यू, by practicing, you come to a state where you actually differentiate. You will actually sit on a like chair and see, okay, this is my overthinking and this is thinking, this is the over response of emotion, this should be the neutral response. You will actually distinguish ऐसे एकदम proper slide की तरह आपको अलग कर पाओगे उस चीज को. Now, grounding exercises. Either you are having anxiety, either you are not focusing, able to focus, concentrate, anything. Grounding exercises always work. One of the famous grounding exercises is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 things you can see. You have to name it. लैपटॉप, फोन, 5 थिंग्स आपके अगल बगल जिसको आप देख सकते हो. 4 थिंग्स यू टच, 4 चीज आपको छू सकते हो. 3 थिंग्स यू हियर, 3 चीज आप जो सुन सकते हो. 2 थिंग्स यू कैन स्मेल, 2 चीज आप जो स्मेल कर सकते हो. 1 थिंग्स यू कैन टेस्ट, 1 चीज जो आप टेस्ट कर सकते हो. फॉर एंजाइटी और ओवर थिंकिंग, 1 थिंग दैट आई कैन सजेस्ट इज टच समथिंग कोल्ड. कोई भी कोल्ड चीज को टच करिए और splash cold water on your face. You will instantly feel relaxed. Inhale and exhale is like Ramban, and splashing cold water on your face, washing like feet through cold water, touching something cold, it instantly bring your attention and focus to the present. Anxiety or overthinking happens, why? Because when you're too much focused on past or we are too much focused on present. This grounding exercise is to bring you in the present. Splashing cold water to bring you in the present. Touching something cold, bring you in the present. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bring you in the present. Everything that brings you in the present makes you feel content, और आपको anxiety, overthinking फिर उस then phase में नहीं होगी. So you can also do this. Instead of asking what's wrong with me, you can say that what would I say to a friend experiencing this. There was one activity that very earlier I used to do. I feel कि मैं किसी को बताऊंगी तो they will feel that maybe I have lost some sense of myself or I'm crazy. कि I imagine कि there is emergency contact. Someone has saved my number as an emergency contact. So if they call me in an emergency situation seeking help, what I will tell them? What I will tell them? So I just imagine कि जो emergency situation है में हम हैं और I'm a me future self is giving a voice note, saving a voice note कि अगर as situation में what I will listen. So I make a voice note of myself in different scenario situation. So whenever I feel that, I just go and play that. So it's just like a call. So when I call, how you call someone and they receive, I actually have recording a voice note in that lane कि अगर किसी ने मुझे call किया तो I'm like hello, hi, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या कर रही हो, मुझे पता है what you're feeling going through this. So it may be ऐसा हो सकता है, but trust me, ऐसा ऐसा. And I have made voice notes of different situations when I'm very much anxious and sometimes I'm not feeling well about myself or I'm overthinking and I think I'm not worthy enough. Sometimes I feel that I have an imposter syndrome. I don't feel that I belong at this place. I have that hotline number. जिसको हम बोलते हैं emergency. So I do have that voice note and मैंने save कर रखा है and sometimes I used to listen. I feel like I'm talking to someone कि मैं किसी से बात करूँ. Exactly what I will ask and what I will say, the answer is exactly the same way. Like how I कि क्या कर रहे हो, तो आंसर सामने से आएगा. उसके बाद I know what can or will ask. तो बिल्कुल it does not feel like a recording. Feel like I'm actually asking the question and सामने से answer बोल रहा है with a pause. So you can try this also. Now before the activity there is one more thing. Okay, like in CBT, like cognitive distortion में होता है thought का structuring. We use CBT में thought को हम लोग structure करते हैं. These are the questions that you can ask. Like I give you the example कि कोई friend ने आपका message को see नहीं किया 5 घंटे तक and you are thinking कि oh my god ये person तो मेरे को पसंद ही नहीं करता, मुझे पता है ये person ऐसा है वैसा है वैसा है, and you don't have any evidence. It's just कि वो person actually busy है, हो सकता है उसका phone drain हो गया, कुछ हुआ हो, and that person is generally nice person, but because you have a loop of overthinking, आप overthink कर रहे हो. In that case, what you can ask? You can apply this process, this lane question in every scenario. मान लीजिए पार्टी में गए हो, कोई फ्रेंड ने आपको हाई, आपने हाई किया और फ्रेंड ने आपको हाई नहीं किया, एंड यूर थिंकिंग कि मुझे पता था मुझे हाई नहीं करना था, वो मुझे हाई नहीं करेगा, नहीं करेगी. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. आप पर्सन जाकर जब तक आप सामने से मिले नहीं, अगर आप एक्शन नहीं ले रहे हो आप ओवर थिंक करोगे. अब जैसे ही एक्शन लेके उस पर्सन को कन्फ्रंट किया, दैट पर्सन इज लाइक मैंने तो तुम्हें देखा ही नहीं, मैंने एक्चुअली तुम्हें नहीं देखा. एंड दे टॉक यू लाइक फॉर 1 hour एंड आपको लगा कि दिस वाज ओवर थिंकिंग, आई वाज ओवर थिंकिंग अ लॉट, ये तो रियलिटी थी ही नहीं. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? अगर कोई सिचुएशन आपके पास होता है जो आपको ओवर थिंक कराता है, आस्क दिस क्वेश्चंस. इज दिस थॉट एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू? क्या हम जो सोच रहे हैं कि वो मेरे बारे में ऐसे ही सोचता है, सोचती है, ये सही है? मेरे पास क्या एविडेंस है कि जो हम सोच रहे हैं वो सही है? क्या कोई अनदर एक्सप्लेनेशन हो सकता है? कैन आई लेट दिस थॉट पास विदाउट फाइटिंग इट? क्या हम इस थॉट को बिना लड़े जाने दे सकते हैं या फिर उसको पकड़ के बैठना है? यू कैन यू नो पुट योर थॉट्स, योर ट्रिगर इन दिस 4 filters और देखिए वो किस तरह से वर्क करता है. हर क्वेश्चन का एक आंसर होता है, आप उसको उसमें डालिए इन जर्नल. आई थिंक जर्नल इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग इन एनी काइंड ऑफ, either you have anxiety, PTSD, whatever you're feeling, just journal your thoughts and feelings. वो one of the best thing होता है जब आपके thoughts को एक structure मिलता है, आपको लेन समझ में आता है कि आपकी सोच, आपकी चीजें आ कहाँ से रही है. सो जर्नल इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन एवर डू. जस्ट जर्नल अबाउट योर डे, क्या दिन कैसा रहा, आज हम क्या सोचे, 10 महीने पहले का बात मुझे आज याद आ गया. जस्ट जर्नल इट. इट विल मेक यू फील वेरी रिलैक्स्ड. आप बहुत रिलैक्स फील करते हो जर्नलिंग करने के बाद. एज पर माई एक्सपीरियंस व्हाट आई फील कि जर्नलिंग के बाद आई डू फील वेरी रिलैक्स्ड. नाउ after this I'm going to do a small activity. You can take a screenshot and you can type in the chat box the sentence जिसमें आप कुछ भी आ सकता है. आप इसमें 10 से 15 लाइन लिख सकते हो. I overthink most when. आप कब सबसे ज्यादा overthink करते हो? Like if I have to write, I can say that I overthink most when I'm not physically well, और आई ओवरथिंक मोस्ट व्हेन आई एम नॉट डूइंग गुड प्रोफेशनली. उसमें बहुत सारा चीज आता है लाइक करियर रिलेटेड. सो व्हाट यू कैन राइट कि आप ओवरथिंक कब ज्यादा कर सकते हो, कब करते हो. यू कैन टेक अ 2 minute टू राइट. You can sit, take a breathe, like sit, relax, take breathe in, breathe out, and just write कि आप overthink कब ज्यादा करते हो. When you overthink a lot. Okay, this is the thought detective. Like I said, situation, automatic thought, evidence for, evidence against, balanced thought. This is one of the CBT approach that we use when we have this kind of distortion. आप इसका screenshot ले सकते हैं. Situation, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Like one of my close friend stopped talking to me, or I had a breakup, or I did good in a class, और मैंने publicly मुझे speak करना था, I literally fumbled and make something very bad of myself. बहुत अजीब सा कुछ बना दिया. You can write any kind of situation. कुछ एक situation particular, उसका automatic thought क्या आपके अंदर आया? Oh my God, I have a situation. I had to give a speech. My automatic thought is that I'm bound to make people laugh on me. मुझे ये मैं ऐसे खराब करूंगी. I will fumble and I will stutter and I will ruin my career. I will never speak in public. This is automatic thought. What are the evidence for this? Support करने के लिए होते हैं ना, judge in the court. My lord, please provide me evidence for this, evidence against this. So what are the evidence to support योर बिहेवियर, दिस थॉट कि क्या एविडेंस, सच में ऐसा क्या है कि आपको लगता है आप एकदम फेल ही कर जाओगे, एकदम आपका लाइफ इसके बाद खराब ही हो जाएगा, अब तो जीवन में कुछ आएगा ही नहीं. एंड व्हाट आर द एविडेंस अगेंस्ट, जिसको बताता है कि नहीं नहीं ये अब बस एक टेम्परेरी सिचुएशन है, इसके बाद बेहतर चीज है. हम हो सकते हैं स्टार्टिंग के 10 लाइन नर्वस में बोल सकते हैं, बट आई कैन एस आफ्टरवर्ड. सो एविडेंस फॉर, एविडेंस अगेंस्ट, एंड देन कम द बैलेंस थॉट. जब आप इसको करोगे तो आपका बैलेंस थॉट आएगा. अच्छा हो सकता है कि स्टार्टिंग 10 minutes I can fumble, I can stutter, I can be nervous, but it is possible that I end my speech with people clapping for me. They're giving me standing ovation. Why not think for the best? If you can think for the worst, you can think for the best also. So if you think of like this, like how I used to think of myself. So whenever I have to give a presentation, or I was sitting in a room of 100 people and I have a thing of professor seeing someone of a new anyone, कोई बहुत अच्छे हैं जो आए हैं बता रहे, I do have a question but I do feel very nervous. So I at that moment I feel ki okay Pratyasha, what are the 2 possibilities that can happen if I ask this question, and everyone, the thing is that 90% chance that most of them will laugh. because what this stupid question she's asking, she's not even knowing, or the professor can make fun of me in the worst case scenario, or other that professor will appreciate ki at least someone asked the question. But I tend to focus most on the negative one because positive उसमें आता नहीं है. So 90% chances is कि people will laugh at me, or the professor will give me a look, oh my god, what she is asking. But in that negative aspect, I think that okay, in that 100 people, if I like take a like if I dare to stand and ask that stupid question, people will laugh at me. But people will remember me there that there was this odd girl who asked a very stupid question. They will remember my name. The professor will remember my name. And that 100% when they go to their home, they will, say about their workshop and they will tell the story of me. So I just feel like, okay, I am the celebrity because everyone is now knowing my name, but I'm not knowing even a single person's name of जो event पे थे. So I know it may sound very, ridiculous to you, but it works for me every time. So every time if I feel very fearful to do any kind of thing, always think of कि अच्छा अगर नहीं सोचना तो खराब में भी क्या होगा, खराब बहुत हो सकता है, उससे क्या होगा. This is what I feel कि अगर होता है ना कि सामने से ऐसे लाइट को ऐसे घुमा लो, कोई बात नहीं, people will laugh but people will remember my name. The professor, the person will remember my name. But there is a situation that जो मैं questions पूछ रही हूँ, that can be helpful to someone. Okay, so अगर वो नहीं है तो नेगेटिव वाले में मैं ये देखने का एंगल कोशिश करती हूँ. I always do this कि ज्यादा लोग हंसेंगे मेरे ऊपर, let them laugh, let them talk about me. So बात किसके बारे में होती है, जिनके बारे में कोई बात होती है. So think like this. मैं सोचती हूँ ऐसा. Some people will come and say कि this is not, ऐसा नहीं होता, वैसे नहीं होता. मुझे लगता है कि जो मेरे वर्क करता है, अगर ये चीज मेरे पॉजिटिव लेन में वर्क करे तो why not? If this thing is giving me courage कि अगर लोग मेरे बारे में खराब सोच रहे हैं, सोचने दो. I'm like a celebrity ना. Everyone is knowing about me, but I'm not even knowing about anyone else. I'm just giving an example of the thing that I actually do. जब ऐसा सिचुएशन होता है तो you can use this अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हैं. So don't think कि if I'm taking a session or I'm giving a presentation तो I like मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं होता है, या I don't suffer in my life, I don't go through the kind of problem that you went through. I do. I always does. I have been. The people in my life, they know what kind of situation I had been. It just now I am like learning a lot, or maybe I'm a better at handling myself. So हमारे साथ सबके साथ ये चीज होता है. So you just have to take that courage and take that leap of faith कि हाँ करना है तो करना है वो चीज को. This is the personal action plan. You can take a screenshot of this. You can write my biggest trigger is. I think the person they know what my biggest trigger is. My warning signs are: one technique I will practice, one action I will take this week. You can write, you can journal this thing. One thing that I want to teach you is this about the relaxation breathing work. I have taught this exercise in the previous workshops and sessions also. You can go and watch the recording also, but I will teach you some more. Two tools I will teach you about the breathing one. That 4-4-4 4-second inhale. When you inhale, like 1, 2, 3, 4, hold for 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and then exhale for 4 seconds, or you can exhale for 6 seconds. What I generally prescribe you that your exhale should be longer than your inhale. अगर आपका exhale inhale से ज्यादा होगा तो you will feel relaxed. आप ज्यादा relaxed feel करोगे. If you're having worry, exhale double breathing. Double breathing कैसे होती है? You put your one hand on your chest, on one hand on your stomach, like on the navel, and you inhale like first inhale, and the second inhale is the full capacity कि आप इससे ऊपर आप inhale नहीं कर पाएंगे, and then you slowly exhale. When you exhale, your exhale should be longer than your inhale. You can also do box breathing. You can 4-4-4, then double breathing, or you can अगर कुछ भी नहीं possible है तो just breathe and breathe out. You can close one nose like this, inhale, and then close one like this, and exhale is also called Om Vilom, but you can use accordingly. अगर नहीं तो you can do one breathing एक nostril से you can 2 बार breathe कर सकते हो, वो भी कर सकते हो, alternate कर सकते हो, 4-4-4 कर सकते हो, double breathing कर सकते हो. If you are feeling too much worry, बहुत ज्यादा worry है तो when you exhale, use your mouth. If you're feeling very much feeling worry or tensed, your body is tensed, when you inhale, but when you exhale, use your mouth like this. When you exhale through mouth और आपका exhale लंबा होगा, you will automatically feel very relaxed. Your vagus nerve will be relaxed. Prefrontal cortex जो होगा वो active होगा, आपको cortisol का dilution हो जाएगा, and you will start to act as a like normal. आपका जो भी है वो जो stress level वो stress से बहुत कम हो जाता है. Okay. Now, these are all the tools and techniques. You can take a screenshot if you want. एक्टिविटी यू डू दिस. आप बैठो, कोई भी सिचुएशन लिखो. आपके फ्रेंड से लड़ाई हो गई थी 5 साल 2 साल पहले. इफ यू वांट यू नो यू कैन डू दैट. लिखो. अभी प्रेजेंट का सिनेरियो में है, करियर को लेकर, रिलेशनशिप को लेके, फैमिली का इश्यूज को लेके, या कुछ भी. आप उसको लिखो. उसके बाद क्या क्या था, यू कैन राइट दिस. One thing I overthink most. One thing I will suggest you that you journal. Journaling is one of the best thing you can ever do. One of the best thing. Do journaling. Do breathing exercises. आप अभी बहुत ज्यादा stress, जैसे before every session, of course it's very natural that I'm like in a very plugging the laptop, checking the net, doing this and that. I'm kind of bit stressed. So even the camera is on, I do for even for like 2 seconds, for 3 seconds, just 3 breath in out, and I'm bit calm. मुझे बहुत relax feel होता है. So you can do this. अगर आप सीढ़ी से उतर रहे हो, उसमें भी कर सकते हो. चल रहे हो, do this. You have to take a time out of your daily schedule. अगर आपको करना है तब time निकाल लोगे, नहीं तो there is a lot of excuses. This is what I believe, because I was at a time I used to make a lot of excuses कि ये नहीं हो सकता, time नहीं है, ये नहीं, ये नहीं. But when I feel that okay, there is a need of doing this thing, I started to make there. When I feel कि need है, then I see oh my god, I have a lot of time. जो time मैं basically बर्बाद कर रही. So you can do this. These are the action plans. You can take a screenshot. This is also this. These are where the tools and techniques, grounding exercises. Okay. Yes. Join the WhatsApp community. Subscribe my YouTube channel and follow the Instagram page. Please do join the WhatsApp community. All updates are given in the community. Because of my work commitments, earlier I used to take session on every Sunday, but because of my work commitments, I'm taking sessions on alternate Sunday. So please join the WhatsApp community and do vote for the kind of topic that you want to cover on next session में. I will मैं उस topic के बारे में Thank you and have a very nice day of yours.